Welcome back. 4-lane highway work at Vasco is expected to start soon. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed this to media on Monday at Vasco. He also announced new committee of Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. Damodar Lotlikar is the president and Harshad Pawar the general secretary.
सध्या सगळे युवा मोर्चाचे वेगवेगळे कमिटी करप चालू आशिल्ल्यो मातसो वास्कोचो लेट जालो पण हरकत ना लेट बेटर लेट देन नेवर त्या प्रमाणे अध्यक्ष दामोदर लोटलीकर खरे आणि जनरल सेक्रेटरी हर्षद पवार. Consultant has been already appointed. He has almost completed the survey. So as per their schedule they will tender it at the end of October as per their schedule. But sometime November च्या एंडाक किंवा डिसेंबरान काम चालू जाय. पयलीं तो रस्तो आहा तो झाप करून सोंपोवन घेता. 4-lane road and insisted that at the earliest the road part at least should be completed fastest. In fact, the full project should be put on fast track.
Parrikar also visited Murgaon Fort. He has assured to issue necessary directives to Archives Department. He was accompanied by Murgaon MLA Milind Naik and Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida.
They have issued directions to Director Archives to demarcate the fort area and have an approach road to the fort from the top side, not from the bottom, because disabled and others can't enter.
Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Goa College of Engineering students have demanded resignation of their principal. They have claimed that principal is harassing them every now and then. Meanwhile, Principal Dr. Rajesh Lohani has said that if students are miffed with the disciplinary action taken by him, then he cannot do anything about it. Students have declared total boycott from Tuesday. They will be submitting a memorandum to the Chief Minister.
दर वर्सा आमच्या कॉलेजीन नवरात्री नाईट जाता. ह्या वर्साक परमिशन कित्याक मेळना? फाटल्या वर्सा मेळ्ळी. दुसरो प्रिंसिपल आशिल्लो तेन्ना. ह्याच वर्सा कित्याक ना? परत गणेश चतुर्थीच्या टायमाचेर आमी आरत्यो करताल्यो. आरत्यो करपाच्या टायमाचेर तेणें येवन सगळ्यांची आय कार्ड वेगळी. तेचें अशें म्हणणें की आतां देवाचें सुद्दां आमी कांय करप ना. डिमांड एकूच आमचो की तेणें रिजायन करपाचें आनी हे सगळे फूल GEC स्टुडंट्साचें मत आसा.
जर चलयांच्या सिक्युरिटीचो ताका इतलोच इशू आशिल्लो ताचो जाल्यार ही शुड हॅव अलाउड द गर्ल्स इनसायड द हॉस्टेल and then question them on Monday. I cards anyways जर ताणें घेतली. He could have written down the names of the girls and questioned them on Monday. He shouldn't have denied them the entry in the hostel. चलयां भायर रावली हॉस्टेलाच्या. सो मेरेन another sir आशिल्लो बिचारांनी एकटो कोण ताणें म्हटलें he saw another girls on his compound wall in the morning. They were not sure whether they were from GEC सकाळी 4 whether they were from GEC or whether they were out from outside. आता जर GEC एंट्री करपाची सकाळी 4 सुद्दां इतली हें जाता जाल्यार how can you assure the girls that they will be safe here?
CM कडेन आमी उलयल्ले आसा. जर तेका तो स्वता जर राजिनामा दिना जाल्यार तेका काडून उडोवपाची जर पाळी आयली जाल्यार आमकां सपोर्ट आमी स्टुडंटां वांगडा सदांच आसतले.
All those girls who have given their I cards were allowed to enter the hostel because the time for my hostel is 9 p.m. Right? Okay. That is what is. If that is injustice to them, then I cannot do. In the name of discipline.
Nuwan Zoysa is proving to be a fantastic coach, according to Goa Ranji cricket team's assistant coach Prakash Mayenkar. Under the guidance of former Sri Lankan Test cricketer, the Goan Ranji squad is working hard to improve, and it looks like Goa can have a good season this time, says Prakash.
While the cricket administrators have been making the news for wrong reasons of late, Goan Ranji squad has been working steadfastly in the run-up to the 2013-14 season. The lingering rains have, however, prevented the boys from outdoor practice most of the time after the break for Chawat.
Managed by some training session like fielding session, gym, endurance, agility, and no one had focused more on their technical aspect, how to take wickets, and there were talks also to be prepared mentally so that how you can get wickets to 20 wickets in 4 days. That was his main aim.
The Ranji squad is now Bangalore bound to play practice matches, as match practice is something that molds the players for the competition rather than continuing to work in the nets.
We played some 1-2 matches at bits. They were in good shape because we had a very good gap, And now we are going to Bangalore to play almost 3 to 4 matches with a good team there. And so we'll see how this player play there. Accordingly, then we can say who is in a good shape, who will play better, who bowls well. So this is actually a good decision by association to send us to Bangalore and play some good matches. And then we will be ready to play a first match against Himachal Pradesh, away match.
Prakash praised Zoysa for his coaching skills and his method of imparting knowledge to the boys.
He is actually cool and calm, fantastic coach. He knows what he can do from the ball. He can hold the ball and he knows how the different way of taking the wickets. That is what we have learned from him, and that's what our boys should learn from him, how to take wickets. So all fast bowlers are very happy, in fact, to know how to take wickets in a number of ways. Suppose now opening stand is going on and 100 for no loss. He has some ideas. He has some inputs to give to the players.
Ravikant Shukla is the only outstation player in the state Ranji squad, which looks well balanced now.
Opening, one down, keeper, all-rounders batting. Amit will play down now because he is also a very good batsman. Shadab Jagaji also a good batsman. So batting strength bariya, bowling strength bari. Spinners Amit is playing really well. Then Shadab asa, Darshan Misal asa. So म्हाका दिसता की ह्या वर्सा आमी खरेंच करतले बरें आनी नुवानाकूय खबर आहा की he is very much confident that he is going to give us good victories.
Zoysa, who is currently in Sri Lanka to complete his visa formalities, will directly join the boys in Bangalore. Goa will begin the Ranji season on October 27th with the away match against Himachal Pradesh. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.